What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Backseat Breaks. It is a beautiful Friday, day after Thanksgiving. I hope everybody, well, at least in the U.S., who celebrates Thanksgiving, had a great day, great holiday. Hope everyone is having a nice long holiday. I stopped at one of the shops and I picked up a bunch of the extended series from 2021. Just because, oh, interesting, blue. Yeah, I picked up basically everything here. It was 25% off the entire price for their Black Friday sale. So thought, why not? I'll try and get a chance at getting the Kirill extended series rookie, which I don't have, surprisingly. I mean, it's cheap enough, but still pretty cool card, considering it has the retro jersey. So why not take a chance? I don't know what else you can really get out of these. Looks like we already got a goalie. And oh my god. Oh my god. You couldn't have, like, a worse photo. I got Hofford. Holy shit. Okay. Hofford, whatever the hell. How do you say his last name? But yeah, that's the first one I have pulled of him. Hopefully the last. Look at that security tag. Right, security tag, sweet. Yeah, I'm not really sure what else you can really pull in these packs, but ooh, we got a Dazzler. That's cool. And that Dazzler is Carlson. I am also going to be doing a box opening of Peachy Platinum from 2019. I picked up a couple of those, so planning to upload some more content here soon. I figured since I had opened up one box prior, I would do a couple more, maybe try to put the base set together, because I enjoy putting them together. Why not? And that's kind of what this was all about anyway, right? And we've got Strand. Hey, Romanov. That's pretty cool. Alexander Romanov. NHL All-Stars. Security tag. Yeah, I picked up this whole lot for 50 bucks. So no real complaints there. It's at least a decent amount. Can't tell, but I don't think I would be able to put a set together with these. like, you know, probably not enough. Nicholas Backstrom. And kind of a dud pack. So I was talking about the cup in some of the previous videos. I guess now the cup has been pushed back to end of January for 2020 release, which is just crazy that it's taken this long. I mean, this whole supply chain issue, I think you can only really draw it out so long. It's been 3 freaking years. So yeah, one other thing I want to comment on too is that, you know, I actually crossed over 100 subscribers, which is pretty cool. I think it's a milestone. I didn't expect many people to you know, join in, but I mean, it's awesome that a number of people have become a follower and watch some of the videos here. I would like a way to be able to, like, I don't know, give back to you guys. I want to do some kind of giveaways, you know. I think it'd be pretty fun. I just don't know how to do it effectively. So if you guys have any ideas, by all means, please let me know, because I have a stack of stuff that I wouldn't mind giving away. You know, maybe some of the clear cut openings I had, I could just make it kind of a thing to, like, do a giveaway. I think it would be fun. Alright, so we have not gotten anything. Here's the Gabe Velarde. Hoping I could get one Kirill, because I don't have it for the extended. And Nathan McKinnon, Ovation. That's kind of cool. Don't think it's worth a whole lot, considering I think he was, what, 20... He's been around for a while. I know he was earlier. What do we got? Another Ovation coming up? No, it's Besser. It's just a little different design there. Riley, Taze, Pitlick. Alright, one last pack, guys. Nope. I think we're getting shut out here. It feels a little thicker than normal. Yep. That's shut out. Alright. Well, wasn't a whole lot of money, but would have been nice to get one. But we're just going to have to buy one here. Anyway, thanks for stopping, guys. Hope everybody's having a great day. See you again soon. Bye-bye.